and welcome to another Makeup 101 video. This one covers contours in every focus area. I'm Michael Weiss, and joining us for this video today was Bella Gray. Begin with just a little skin prep under the eye. This is Fast Response Eye Cream from MAC. I'm also using the Prep and Prime Extended Eye Base from MAC to prep the eye. And we start our eye look with MAC Black Track Gel Ink Liner with a MAC 209 brush. So kind of rest it on the lash line, sweep it into a wing. There are a lot of benefits to using a gel liner versus a liquid. You don't have to do it in one sweep, and you can create more gradients and softness. I think gel ink is also just a little more user-friendly for the lower lash line as well. I'll typically use it in place of mascara on bottom. So we apply to the outer third of the bottom lash and then smudge inward. We're working with tones and a grayscale just to keep the placement obvious. So I'm applying a silver to the whole lid. Start the contour look on the eye using the shape of Bella's orbital bone to our advantage. This is with a really high pigmented black shadow that's black out from Urban Decay, and I tap the brush off a lot so there's not a lot of product on there, and that just makes it go on with a very soft airbrushed quality. While it is a little bit stark, I try to blend away the edges and make them soft, though it is a high contrast look. keep thinking I'm gonna stop doing it, but at this point, who am I kidding? I just love it too much. This is the MAC Fascinating Eye Pencil that I use to highlight all around the eye, sometimes down the nose. I blend it with a concealer brush with a tiny bit of her concealer shade already on it. And carve out the brow a little bit, focusing most of the product to the outer 2/3. And I blend down and in with that same concealer brush. Since it's a cream pencil, you can go in with a light colored powder shadow to soften and set all of it. We're starting skin with under eye concealer. This is Maybelline Fit Me, a mix of a couple of different shades to suit Bella. And there's our triangle of concealer from the inner corner of the eye down the side of the nose. When we blend away the edges, it's a nice, bright, soft under eye. Doing a thin veil of the Shade and Illuminate Soft Radiance Foundation from Tom Ford. I like to apply soft and wispy. That's the 159 brush. It's dual fiber. It's my favorite brush from MAC. My favorite brush in general. The loaded brush, I would typically do nose out, chin up, and excess above the brow. I'm just going wispy all over on this one. We start a contour on the cheek with Trish McEvoy's fan brush. And this is the Maleficent contour powder a long time discontinued, but you could do Kevin Aucoin's medium. I also recommend MAC's Deep Dark Blot Powder for someone with a shade like Bella's. And for highlighting, we move on to one of my favorite things in stores right now. This is Fenty's How Many Carats Diamond Balm all over Diamond Veil. Just highlighting the shelf of the cheek. And even take the shadow brush with a little bit of this highlight just to soften the areas around the eye a little bit with that same amount of shimmer. Now we begin contouring the lip with the chestnut lip pencil. It's an absolute essential. I make what I call little raptor claws on the outer lip, going in and disappearing before it reaches the middle. And then I blend in and up from the bottom with a lip brush. We repeat this process on top, and then blending in and down with the lip brush. And we subtly blend the edges with a brighter gloss, completing our contoured lip. We do a little thin veil of setting power. This is the Hourglass. And here's our final look. I want to thank everyone for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. Maybe you learned something. Thank you very much for your help, Bella. And we will see you next time.